What if one of the most legendary American muscle cars ever built looked even better than it did in 1969? This $129,900 rotisserie-restored 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is about to steal the show. The year is 1969. America is at the peak of the muscle car era, and Chevrolet unleashes a machine that would become an automotive legend. More than 5 decades later, that legend lives on in breathtaking fashion through this stunning 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, a rotisserie-restored masterpiece that perfectly captures the golden age of American performance. Finished to an incredible standard and built as a tribute to the legendary Nickey Chevrolet performance heritage, this Camaro isn't simply another classic car. It's a rolling piece of American history. The very first thing that commands your attention is the Camaro's aggressive body design. The long hood, muscular front fenders, sculpted body lines, and unmistakable stance remind everyone why the 1969 model year remains one of the most desirable Camaros ever produced. Every angle reflects timeless styling that has inspired generations of enthusiasts. This example has undergone a complete rotisserie restoration, one of the most respected restoration methods in the collector car world. During this meticulous process, the body is completely separated from the frame, allowing every inch of the chassis, suspension, underbody, and sheet metal to be restored with incredible precision. The result is a vehicle that looks just as impressive underneath as it does from above. The flawless finish highlights every contour of the Camaro's iconic body. Every chrome trim piece sparkles under the light, while the carefully restored bumpers, grille, moldings, and badging complete the authentic appearance. Even standing still, this Camaro has an unmistakable presence that turns heads wherever it goes, but the real excitement begins beneath the hood. Powering this legendary machine is a GM 396 cubic inch big block V8 engine. During the golden era of muscle cars, the 396 earned a reputation for delivering brutal acceleration and unmistakable torque. Fire up the ignition, and the engine immediately announces itself with a deep, aggressive rumble that sends chills through every automotive enthusiast. Every press of the throttle reminds you that this isn't just transportation, it's pure American muscle. The massive displacement produces effortless power throughout the rev range, while the unmistakable soundtrack fills the air with the sound that made the late 1960s unforgettable. Backing up the big block engine is one of the most desirable manual transmissions ever installed in a muscle car, the legendary Muncie 4-speed. Unlike today's paddle shifters and automatic gearboxes, this transmission demands driver involvement. Every shift feels mechanical, precise, and rewarding, creating an unforgettable connection between driver and machine. Whether accelerating through first gear or rowing confidently into fourth on an open highway, the Muncie transmission transforms every drive into an engaging experience that modern performance cars simply cannot duplicate. Helping control all that power is an excellent collection of driver-focused upgrades. Power steering makes the Camaro surprisingly comfortable to maneuver, while power brakes provide confident stopping performance. Front disc brakes offer significantly improved braking capability over traditional drum brakes, giving drivers greater confidence during spirited driving or relaxed cruising alike. One of the most fascinating aspects of this Camaro is its Nickey Chevrolet tribute appearance. For those unfamiliar with the name, Nickey Chevrolet became legendary during the muscle car era. Located in Chicago, Nickey Chevrolet earned worldwide recognition for building some of the powerful dealer-modified Camaros and Corvettes ever offered. Their cars represented the ultimate combination of factory engineering and high-performance tuning. This tribute faithfully honors that incredible legacy by capturing the visual spirit and performance attitude of those historic dealer-built machines. It's a respectful celebration of one of the most famous names in American performance history. Walk around the Camaro, and you'll appreciate countless restoration details that separate this car from ordinary classics. Every body gap appears carefully aligned. The polished trim shines brilliantly. The glass is crystal clear. The restored lighting, mirrors, emblems, and hardware all contribute to a presentation worthy of the finest collector shows. Open the door and the craftsmanship continues inside. The interior captures the unmistakable atmosphere of a true late 1960s muscle car while benefiting from the attention to detail that only a professional restoration can provide. The dashboard, gauges, steering wheel, seating surfaces, door panels, carpeting, and trim all work together to recreate the excitement drivers experienced more than 50 years ago. Sitting behind the wheel instantly transports you back to an era when performance cars focused on raw driving enjoyment rather than digital screens and electronic driving modes. Every control feels purposeful. Every gauge reminds you that this machine was built for performance, and every mile becomes an experience rather than simply transportation. Collectors understand that restoration quality plays a major role in long-term desirability. A rotisserie restoration represents the highest level of craftsmanship because nothing is hidden. Every component receives attention, from the chassis and suspension to the engine bay and undercarriage. It's the type of restoration that earns admiration whether the hood is open, the doors are closed, or the vehicle is displayed on a show field, offered at $129 to $900. This Camaro represents far more than a classic automobile. It represents decades of American automotive history, expert craftsmanship, and one of Chevrolet's greatest performance icons. Cars restored to this level continue attracting collectors who appreciate quality, authenticity, and timeless design, whether displayed in a private collection, showcased at prestigious automotive events, or driven on weekend cruises. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro delivers excitement every single time it appears. Its legendary 396 big block V8, iconic Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, and Nickey tribute heritage combine to create a muscle car that embodies everything enthusiasts love about the golden age of American performance. Some classics are simply beautiful, others are incredibly powerful. A select few become legends that define an entire generation. This rotisserie-restored 1969 Chevrolet Camaro proudly belongs in that final category, a machine built to inspire admiration, ignite nostalgia, and remind the world why the muscle car era remains one of the greatest chapters in automotive history. If you enjoyed seeing this incredible 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another legendary classic, rare collector car, or breathtaking American muscle icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.